It's recording? The red dot is there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright. It's all good.
Okay.
Testing 1, 2. I'm so excited to be unboxing this. She is mine. She's mine. Merry Christmas to me. I'm so excited. Like, seriously. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Guess who's back? It's Elytra. Thank you for clicking on this video. Haven't said that in a while. Happy that you're here. Today, as you can see in the title, we are going to get into a very quick and simple video. This is my commitment to YouTube. If not YouTube, then content creation for the long term. I just bought myself a Christmas gift, I think it was 2 weeks ago, and I am literally just now opening it. It has been sitting in the box and I have just been so antsy to rip it out the plastic. Well, I guess the cardboard, because it's in a cardboard box, but that's neither here nor there. I'm super excited to unbox this. This is the Sony ZV-1. It is a vlog camera. As a photographer, content creator, video creator, whatever you want to title it, I am super techie. Maybe not super, because I'm not like an expert, but I do love cameras. I own now 3 of them. Actually 4, including my film camera. So I'm excited to add this one to the bunch. I actually will probably be upgrading my main camera, the one that I'm recording on right now, in 2024, which I'm also excited about. I will just have a much more crisp and clear recording quality for the gram, the tube, the talk, you know what I'm saying, all the social medias or whatever. Now, I was trying to make a decision between the Sony ZV-1 and the Sony ZV-E10. I currently have a Sony Nex 5N. I was vlogging on it here and there, so some of the things that you guys have seen was vlogged on that camera, and I was also renting the Sony ZV-1 to see how I like it and see if that is the one that I wanted. The current Sony that I have, the Nex 5N, it has a detachable lens, and I thought that maybe it would probably be better for me to get the Sony ZV-E10, but I decided against that because I did not really like the quality of the ZV-E10, but the quality of the ZV-1, baby, I'm here for it. At least for a beginner vlog camera. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into the unboxing. This is literally what it came in. I thought it was gonna have maybe like some plastic on it, but when the associate at Best Buy brought it out to me, he had it in the Best Buy bag and this box. So it didn't come with any plastic. It's just in this box, and actually, I kind of like it. I mean, you know, standard box. It's nothing major. As you guys can see, it's Christmas time and my mom has her cute little tree here. So that's what you're seeing, the red plaid. That's our Christmas theme this year. So I got my matching PJs with my family. I'm so excited to be unboxing this. So of course there is all of the paper stuff, the reference guide, and don't mind me if I'm looking to my right, your left. As you can see, the screen is going back and forth between the camera box and me. So I have my other camera over here, and I'm just trying to make sure that I'm at least showing things the right way. So, oh, this is to register for a 90-day extension of the limited warranty. I think I did like a 2 or 3 year warranty. You always got to get the warranty when you get a new camera. Don't be cheap, because you know what, if you break it and you don't have the warranty, that's all she wrote. But 9 times out of 10, these camera companies will really take care of you if you at least buy the warranty. But that's all the paper stuff, which, you know, I'm probably only gonna be looking in the startup guide. But that's that on that. Of course, it's telling you to please read the startup guide. So I will do that, because even though I have played around with this camera, I still want to make sure that I'm using it to its greatest extent. If you guys hear anything in the background, I'm so sorry in advance. My Ring camera might go off. Y'all might hear some cars in the background. I'm just chilling at home while I'm recording this. I wish I could see my setup. It's rigged to the nines, but I'm very proud of myself for this setup. I only have, you know, a few resources to work with, so I gotta make do. I got my ring light, and then I have my what they call the Alex Earl light on TikTok. I did not buy it from TikTok. I bought it from Amazon because I needed and wanted one for my phone. So I have that light attached to the tripod that my B camera is on. It's so funny. I wish I could show y'all, but things aren't very aesthetic, so I don't really want to do all that. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, wait. I don't think I want to take the camera out first. I want to see what else is in the box. What's in the box? Okay. Oh, it's the windscreen. I've seen a lot of people call it like the wind wig, to basically catch the wind if I'm outside, and it helps me to maintain good audio. This is probably the battery. This is a very straightforward video. I'm just excited to unbox it because, like I said before, like this is my commitment to content creation and YouTube. I just kind of keep feeling the need to apologize if the camera quality is blurry, because for my Canon T6, it's not even a video camera. That was made in 2017. Video was not king on social media. So my production team, we're a one-woman show, pretty much. My sister will help me if ever I need her, so I will say a two-woman show sometimes, but for the most part, this is a one-woman show. Back to the camera, or back to the unboxing, because we haven't gotten to the camera yet. But this is, okay, this is the battery, and I actually bought a second battery, so I mean, there's that too. I like to have 2 batteries at minimum in case, you know, I'm shooting and one battery dies, especially not shooting for clients and having one battery and y'all on a 2-3 hour shoot. I would just be SOL having one battery, and I learned that pretty early on. It would probably even be good to get 3. But yes, this is the camera. Oh my god. I'm pretty excited to finally have a flip out screen. That was one of the things that really sold me on this camera, because the 2 cameras that I have do not have flip out screens. I can't see myself. So the way that I have set these up, I had to literally go back and forth and do test shots before I even started recording the real video, because I can't see myself. Love this camera because it has the flip out screen and good 4K video quality. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a full-blown setup. So there's the camera. Isn't she beautiful? She's cute. When I get the camera from Aperturent, they already have this like attached to the camera. There we go. Just slid right in. If you watched my other videos, you know that this camera has a slow and quick mode, and child, that slow and quick mode be giving me the blues, because it's literally right here next to the power button, which once you put the microphone on, it's kind of difficult to even access the on and off button. They're literally right next to each other, which I'm not gonna lie to you, Sony, I don't like that design, but I think this camera is a really good camera otherwise. It really is. So, you know, it wasn't a deal breaker for me. So let's turn it on. Okay, here she goes. She's on. So then you like set it up from there. She's beautiful. Such a beautiful compact camera. It did cost me a pretty penny, but I think it's worth it. When I recorded my skincare routine video, that is what I recorded on, was the Sony ZV-1, and I think that quality to me is like, it's pretty good. Looks good to me. When I edit my videos and cross post them to Instagram, that's when I really get to see like the power of the quality, because to me it be looking like my eyesight. If you know, if your export settings are right, if you make sure to record in 4K, it be looking like my eyesight. The video quality about to go, oh, the video quality going up. We going up. For real. So I'm putting this on my pistol grip tripod. I don't really care for this tripod anymore. It's very short and like low to the ground. So when I want to try to get certain angles, it's not really doing what I would like, but it is what it is. Doing this on camera for the first time, like sometimes, you know, you got to do stuff 2 or 3 takes to just make sure you have what you need, but This one is like a genuine unboxing. But yeah, that is the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. I keep calling it the ZV-1 because saying the Mark II part is kind of like long, but it is the Mark II. I probably could have waited. I don't know when they're planning on dropping like a new model, but hey, it's what I got. It's such a beautiful camera, y'all. I really love it. I'm excited. I'm excited to finally be able to see myself not have to spend any more money on renting the camera. I own it now. She is mine. She's mine. Merry Christmas to me. I'm so excited. Like seriously. New equipment, it just makes me overjoyed. I think that's it for this video. That was my Sony ZV-1 unboxing. I didn't get into anything too in-depth about the features and everything because like I said, I'm just like a camera enthusiast. I'm a content creator, but I'm not like, my content style is not showing you all of the features because I don't think that's really what my audience wants to see. But just being able to show you guys that this is my commitment to what I really want to do in life. I want to be behind the camera. That's what fuels me, what drives me, what makes me super happy, and I'm here. I was just dating YouTube, but now like we in a full-blown relationship. I'm in a relationship with my man. But yes, me and YouTube, we are going steady. I appreciate you guys for watching this video, for kicking with me for a few minutes, and just coming over to my channel. Until the next time, have a good one. Be careful. Love ya. Bye. Perfect timing, I guess. My light just died. Perfect timing. Bye, you guys.